Hey all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, hello, my name is Christine and I do a lot of spoiler videos here on this channel. I do makeup looks, shopping hauls, makeup hauls, you name it, we do it on this channel. If you are into that type of content, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family. And I want to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe because I did buy 2 of the Deluxe mystery boxes and 2 of the Supreme mystery boxes, and I plan on doing a really big giveaway. We do Jeffree Star giveaways on this channel all the time, so go ahead and subscribe. It'll be coming very soon once I get all of my boxes shipped to me, and we'll be doing an unboxing and a huge giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So I have some real spoilers to show you guys. Somebody posted their box on the internet and now everyone has this photo. I don't know who originated it. I'm not sure who it is. I don't know where this photo really came from, but everyone's sharing it, so I thought I'd talk about it. If you guys know whose box this is, please let me know so I can give them credit. I always give people credit for their images, but I literally don't know whose photo this is. So as you know, the Deluxe box cost $100. There is 8 items in the box and 3 of them are exclusive. So I am going to show you all the items that came in the box. So I can go ahead and tell you right now, I'm a little bit disappointed. And apparently a lot of you are disappointed as I am reading throughout Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. A lot of people are very disappointed in this box, and I can see why you are. So we're gonna go over the items and talk about it. And I do want to hear your opinions down in the comments below. And don't take anything that I say negatively. We love Jeffree Star. We really do. So don't be mean. But anyways, yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So you know the candy heart hoodie that he was selling for Valentine's Day? Well, that is an exclusive item in the box, except for it's not a hoodie. Apparently it's a t-shirt, but with the same design. I can't personally tell if it's a hoodie or a t-shirt, but that's what everyone is saying, that it is a t-shirt, and that's what makes it exclusive. Honestly, I would rather have had the hoodie, but the t-shirt's cool too. I kind of wish maybe it had something different about it than the hoodie, but you know, that's just me, because if you bought the box and then you bought a hoodie, you have the same thing. But that's again just my opinion. And then the other item that came in the box was an entire pack of straws. The person here had green straws, and you know, Jeffree, you could possibly get the pink straws or the blue straws, but this person had the green straws in their box. So we are saving the planet a little bit more at a time, so that's always good. Now we're going to talk about the palette that came in the box. I'm a little disappointed. I have given away 3 of these palettes on my channel so far, and if you haven't guessed by now, it is the mini breaker. I was kind of shocked that he put the mini breaker back in the boxes again, since he put it in every single box last time, where basically we all have the palette, I'm pretty sure now. But just know that that will definitely be going in a giveaway because, well, I already have one. I don't need another one. So that one will be going in the giveaway. And I think maybe he just has a huge stock of these, and that's why he's still putting them in mystery boxes, because it was on sale not long ago on Morphe, and then I saw it on sale at Beautylish. I think it was Beautylish. So I don't think he's selling that many of them, and that's why he's put them on sale and why they keep appearing in mystery boxes. But anyways, let's move on. The next item in the box is a mirror. This is the white and black one. It's mostly white, and then it has the black details. This was a Halloween mirror that you could have bought. This is the exclusive Halloween mirror that we got for the Halloween box. And this was the other like Halloween mirror type situation that you could have bought during the launch for Halloween or whatever. I was kind of like hoping for a Valentine's mirror, one of the new ones. That would have been really cool. But I do like the white and black mirror. It's really pretty, and I would love to add it to my collection. One item that I am a little disappointed about is the fact that there is a whole entire highlighting palette in here, which is really great. It's really great, but it's the one for deep skin tones. So if I get that palette, I'm not going to be able to use it. Of course, I can use it as eyeshadow, but I don't see the point. I would rather use it as a highlight palette if, you know, I had it. So if I get that highlighting palette, it'll definitely go in the giveaway for sure, which will be really exciting for you guys. So get pumped. The next item is a lip gloss. This is in the shade Legends Only. I believe it's like one of his clear glosses, or it's like a lighter gloss. I can't really remember, but I'll have an image up here so you can see the gloss, obviously. So this came in the box as well, and of course there's always variations of the lip products that come in the box, so you might not get that shade. Now let's talk about the other exclusive item that came in the box. Since the t-shirt is an exclusive item, there's an exclusive hat, which is technically not exclusive because he already has the hat on his website. Apparently that hat is in the satin finish, whereas this one's cotton, which I don't really, you know, it's the same thing. But apparently that's the exclusive item. I love hats, so I'm excited to have this. So I wear them all the time, so I'm very excited to have the hat. I know a lot of people are a little upset, as I've seen on the internet, because it's the same thing, which I get, because it's the same thing, you know, besides satin or cotton, but I can see why people are upset about it. And then the last item in the box is the exclusive mystery shade, and we don't know what it is. I saw a swatch somewhere that somebody took and it was like iridescently red. I don't really know. I couldn't see. It wasn't a very good photo, so I'm not going to put it up. But we do have this mystery shade. So that's all the items that came in the deluxe box. For me personally, I didn't get my money's worth because it's just, you know, a few items that I can't really use, and then, you know, a few items that if you would have bought it outright, it wouldn't have, you know, made up the cost for the $100. So if I was buying this box for myself and not for a giveaway, I'd be very disappointed. But since I am giving items away, I'm actually not disappointed because that means I have more to give out to you guys. But I can see why a lot of you are disappointed in the deluxe box. So I can see that, but I'm also very excited for myself. So that is it for this box. You know, I will be putting spoilers up as they come so we all can see them together and discuss them in the comments. So let me know down in the comment section how you're feeling about the deluxe box so far. Do you think it was worth the $100 you spent on it? Are you excited? Just let me know everything down in the comments and we can talk about it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe for the giveaway that's going to be coming up very soon, and leave a like if you did enjoy these spoilers. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!